Our mission is to deliver happiness and well-being to everyone, everywhere.
Today I'm going to show you 5 of my absolute favorite things.
We're going to dive into today's customized close-up.
I am here to tell you how I curated this.
Stay with me. You're going to love these.
Swipe, 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 swipe. Just swipe, left, right, like Tinder. Swipe, 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 swipe.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this cat eye look.
This is where I'm going to be sharing different makeup tricks that you can do.
Welcome to another FabFitFun Founder Chat.
It's me, Venus and Harry.
It's Megan Trainer and I'm here with FabFitFun.
It's great that FabFitFun seeks out charities to partner with and also give them great products.